What if safety isn't something you achieve in your operations? What if it's something built in right from the start? With the ASSA ABLOY RP400, safety is embedded into every inch of the door, constructed with the latest in safety technology for automated processes and production lines. The ASSA ABLOY RP400 offers a whole new level of safety, quality, and reliability to meet the growing demands of industry. It's simply our most advanced machine protection door ever. Integrated into the door's side frame is a full-width and full-height light curtain, capable of sensing and reacting to even the smallest obstructions. So if anything is in the way, the door's closing is stopped immediately and opened. Also integrated into the machine protection door's side frame is a more advanced safety limit switch. With a higher stopping accuracy, it communicates directly with the machine to prevent hazards more precisely. To further increase safety, the flush surface of the flat bottom profile has no protruding edges and little contact area to reduce the risk of serious injury during the upward movement of the door. This smoother, more flush profile also has a more premium design with rounded edges and a better embedded motor. Increasing safety and minimizing damage in an emergency, an optional flame retardant door curtain is available. In addition to these safety features, the ASSA ABLOY RP400 enables a safe and secure installation. It can be wall-mounted or freestanding to optimize floor space. With freestanding installations, the door has a highly robust and stable frame construction for less vibrations during machine activity. Every part of our most advanced machine protection door, ASSA ABLOY RP400, has safety embedded in it, helping you meet the growing demands for your industry. Its range of integrated and optional safety features gives you the best possible safety barrier, delivering fast speeds, high protection, optimized floor space, and maximum uptime.